Take a ride in the 2016 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, FWD, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.